Hello guys, as you all know, here is Learn Tech Fast, and here right now we are briefing you through on programming, and we are going to start. We have already started on C++. So in my last videos on in my last video on programming, we talk about basics of C++, how we get C++, and at least we do some simple coding in Dev++ too, and I told you to explore more, learn more from it. So in today's tutorial, I've got another calculation, another programming. In this program, we're going to calculate the area of a circle. So to calculate the area of a circle, at least you have to get a pi and the pi r square. Calculate the area is the pi r square. Have the pi, the r for the radius, at least you need to square it. So right now, let's go. So I'm going to write a program to maybe calculate the area of a circle. So first, as I've already taught you, go to File, go to New, Project, Console Application, calculate the area of circle. Area of a circle in C++. Okay, area of a circle, let's go. So here you type your using namespace std for standard. Okay, I've already taught you all this, so I'm wrong here. Okay, let's go back. Namespace. Okay, namespace, I'm done. So I've already taught you all this. Let's bring this in. So to calculate the area of a circle, you need to get your pi, and pi is constant, so you take float. This step you're not going to take integer. Integer is for letters, float is for at least. So go for float, boolean and for boolean numbers. So float, and restore our pi as pi is equal to 3, maybe 3.142, and we'll terminate it. And go to float area, float, and go for R, because this will be in a boolean R and comma area, and we terminate it. Come to our second line, maybe third line, see out. Going to talk about a program. Program to calculate area of a circle. So we're going to talk about a program to calculate the area of a circle. Area of a circle. There. Hyphen N to terminate it. Okay, so next line, see out. I'm going to talk about enter the radius of the circle. So at least we need to accept input from the user. So the user will enter the radius, which is the R of the radius of the circle, and here radius of the circle. Okay, let's terminate it. Go for C in the radius of the R that we declare right up there. So terminate it. Come down here. So we've already declared the area and something. So area is equal to pi. Now we have already declared the pi times r square, and r square means 2r, so r times r. Okay, and terminate it. The area is equal to pi r times r multiplied by. Okay, so come down here, go for C out, come here, talk about, okay, the area of, no, the answer, the area of your circle, the area of your circle is already calculated the area, terminate it. Okay, so here let me read all the steps for you to know. The first one is you actually declare the data types. So float pi is in boolean, so because of the dot here, so we go for float pi is equal to flip. This is our fixed number for pi. Okay, and float up r. Already you don't have r because you accept that that radius from the user. So float radius, you have the area will be the answer. So we have C out to program. What you're going to do is to program to calculate the area of a circle. Okay, you can bring all this here. No, let me right now we are going to the beginning. We are in the beginner mode, so you can't force ourselves on something. We'll see out, enter the radius of the circle. The user will enter the radius and you accept the radius here. And after accepting it, the computer needs to calculate. So area, we have already declared the area. So area is equal to pi. Here is the pi. So the computer will pick this number and he will multiply it times 2 with what the figure the user will what give it to him. So area is equal to pi. So 3.14 times, maybe the user will give him 14 times 14 times 14 again, and the computer will display the area of that circle, and the area will be the answer. So let's compile and run. Okay, let's type the name here. Area. Okay, so click on save. Let's see if you get error or not. This is my left class. Okay, let's compile and run it again. I don't know why I get this error bar. Let me try it again. Okay, so here is our calculator. Program to calculate the area of a circle. Enter the radius, maybe 34. Okay, so the area of your circle is 3632.15. Let's see if computer is correct or wrong. So go for calculator here. Okay, so 3.142 times 34 times 34. Okay, 3632.152. So 3006 32.152. Here 2 is not here, 0.15. Okay, so our computer is correct and there is no way the answer is wrong. Maybe we can change the figure by running it again. Run again. Okay, run it again and we change maybe 5 times 5 is 10 and this answer is 78. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I will try my possible best and upload another tutorial on maybe first one was addition and this one is multiplication, or the area in simplest multiplication. So our next one will be maybe subtraction or division. Thank you for watching this video and make sure you comment, please request a video from me on what you need or that you need to learn so that we at least grow this YouTube channel together. But make sure you subscribe and you share this channel for everybody, all your friends, to maybe get to know what we are doing right now. Thank you. I'm starting with you as a beginner and I will end with you as a pro. And our first video we're doing some wrong calculation and all that, but as you can see the second video at least I've improved a lot. No error and no whole lot. So thank you. I'm learning a lot for you guys. Thank you for watching the videos. Thank you guys.